Hello from Southern Ontario, Canada. It is April 15th here. If you've just popped in, forgive me. I'm suffering from a freshly broken rib and I'm a mess. But more on the digital banking. From my comments on my channel. In essence, why am I down on digital banking? Because as the commenter notes, and I've pointed out, it is not the same. The TD Bank's digital banking change. It's not the same as a CBDC, central bank digital currency. Although it appears to set up the precondition. But why do I reject outright the TD Bank's digital policy? Well, there's more than one reason. In the first place, the fact that as a TD customer, we received an email that we can't claim it was disingenuous, but it was vague and glossed over things. And it did say in there, see the paper copy for the full story. I've explained this before, neither one does. They both say, see the other one. And I know a lot of people I talked to said, well, I got that notification and just kind of ignored it, the electronic one. To get the paper copy, you have to request it from your bank, and they'll look at you like, why would you want that? Another thing I don't like about it is, and this is not just from my comments, from my own experience and from everyone I've talked to personally on the subject matter, when you go into the TD Bank, the staff knows nothing about this. Now, the staff could have been educated quite easily in a number of fashions, right? They could have had an electronic info seminar or something, a Zoom. They could have been provided with paperwork. I guess even the bank managers could have, said, hey, I got the scoop. I'll explain it to you, the banking staff in each branch, because there's going to be a lot of questions from the public. Obvious questions and obviously questions. But the main reason I reject it is it would send a statement, not just to the TD Bank. I mean, they know they were going to have some pushback, lose some customers, lose some deposit money. It didn't sneak up on them. We can be assured of that. But it sends a statement all the way to Davos, Switzerland. As I've pointed out before, the TD Bank isn't the only financial institution that's a corporate sponsor of the WEF, etc. But here's why I think we should have pushback against the TD Bank, whether you decline the digital banking or outright leave the institution. We saw what happened in 2000 with the panda that wasn't and the cure that wasn't. 50% of the population just said the TV told me to participate in the experiment, so they did. And another 20% were bribed with a hamburger and a side of fries or a piece of paper or something on your phone, a cute code or whatever. So you go to a restaurant or a sporting event. So the boys in Davos are watching what the public responds to the TD with on this subject matter. So I think that's why I encourage, well, in great part, why I try to inform and encourage people to resist this TD digital thing. So I hope that clarifies it for you. I appreciate your comments and your questions. Oh.